Hello, this here is my 12-inch Galaxy 2150 uh, oscillating table fan. 12-inch. This is probably my favorite of my 12-inch fans in my collection. It just runs so well, so quietly. And the little bit of noise that it does make, I really like it. Also, it's pretty. This is not the correct guard for this particular one. This is a slightly older style guard. There's versions of these online. There's versions of these online with this guard and this base, but this fan originally came with, or it would have come with a set of guards like this. And this is a set of guards that I got later. So when I first got this fan, the guards, I should say, I got this fan at a flea market maybe 8 or 9 years ago for $2, and it was missing the front medallion plate. It was missing this, and it was all busted up. So I later wound up getting this set on eBay. Unfortunately, it was not $2. I paid quite a bit more for that. But I love this fan so much that I felt that it was justified. But yeah, it's not cracked anywhere. There's a couple of scuffs here and there, but overall it's in pretty good shape. This was my my bedside fan for a long time before I had to change my bedroom around. But this set of guards I got later for really cheap to go with this fan in case I wanted to go back to the original stuff. But this guard set's kind of also in rough shape, and I like the look of this one better. So yeah, there's that. And let's one for the demonstration. I should have unwrapped this cord to begin with. I'm sure this is painful. Okay, it's close enough. All right, low speed. No, you probably can't hear it very well over the furnace. Yep. Medium speed. I just love that blue. Ugh, it's great. High speed. And it oscillates. For a plastic fan, these really are bulletproof. They just run and run and run. Well, I do like the look of these of this older style guard a little better. Um, this guard has this weird way they made the handle here, where they just have a bar that goes across here, and they have a little indent in the guard for you to put your hands under. That balance is much better than this does when you pick the fan up, because when you pick this fan up, it kind of wants to lean back a little bit, whereas with this, it's perfectly balanced. Just the feel of these 70s plastics. It's just a much thicker construction plastic. Anyways, that's it for my 12-inch Galaxy 2150. Later.